come down.
Okay, yeah, I told you now on my way to the airport, but you were not.
Okay,
Oh, yes, he did. Yes, he did. Yes,
it's a good family.
Hello, how are you? Good to see you, sir.
Good steps.
Keep going. After you.
There's no space for you to go to. People are going to sit down. All your colleagues are here already.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And Majesty's immediate right, the former Deputy Governor of Lagos State, Senator Koforola Bucknor Akerele, and I have good authority to say, sir.
I won't take it away. I'll go back.
Beauty. Yes, I can see a lot of people who cry, clapping. And yes, Bashanu Additional, one of our leaders from Ogun State, AIG retired, Alakbeni is from Lagos State, and next to him, Wa Fun Ile Ibi Kagbega Fayeri Kagbega Fayeri. Ìgbàgbọ́ wa ni pé bá a ṣe bẹ̀rù la bọ́mọ, bá a ṣe bẹ̀rù la bọ́mọ. Ká ṣiṣẹ́ kájọlá, ká ṣiṣẹ́ kájọlá. Ìṣọ̀kan àti òmìnira, ìṣọ̀kan àti òmìnira. Ní ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbéga, ní ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbéga. Tẹ̀síwájú, fọ́pọ̀ ire, àtòhun tó dára, Ọmọ Oòduà dìde, ọmọ Oòduà dìde. Bọ́ sípò ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ, bọ́ sípò ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ. Ìwọ ni ìmọ́lẹ̀, gbogbo adúláwọ̀.
Just like my brother said, this home is our home. I remember in 2019 when we came here, Baba hosted us, and we are part and parcel of this family. So when Baba went to be with God, our leader counted it as a necessity that we must come. Ẹni tó bá sojú ẹni tó sẹ̀yìn ẹni ó jẹ́ ènìyàn gidi. Somebody that does well when somebody is alive. And when somebody is gone and you are still doing well, that is the real Ọmọlúwàbí. So I want to introduce those people that came with His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, GCON, Vice President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 to 2007, and by the special grace of God, incoming President by 2027. By my immediate left is a man I love so much, Captain Atiku Abubakar. Where are my other people? Yes, Dr. Collins, Niger Delta. Where's we? There are so many outside. Captain Dele, are you for us or we are for you? You are for us. Captain Dele. Then where's my younger? Where's Jalo? It's part of our visit. Baba is also part of our visit. Dr. Abimbola Ogukelu. He has been our principal's friend for decades.
Is aging gracefully, but yes, aging. She's upstairs. And we want to say thank you from the depth of our hearts for taking it. I am fully aware of your relationship with Daddy. I think on one of those occasions you visited, I was here and took a picture with you as well. One of those, in life and in death, you have stood firmly with the family, and for that we're deeply appreciated. Thank you, sir. I also want to appreciate
Correct. How are you? No worry.
So what's that one encounter you had with him that you never forget? Just one encounter.
That was, I think, eve or before 2019 elections. I had come here a number of times, but listening to his struggles, pre-independence, post-independence, his contributions to the unity of this country with all its diverse nationalities, he still believed in one country. Of course, there was this famous word he uttered, restructuring Nigeria, which apparently, when I gave him my book, restructuring of Nigeria, he couldn't believe that this is effort that would come from the northern alliance. And then we bonded very, very, very strong. I believe the book must have been his life.
So it seemed like a shoe out to think because of his role in the pursuit of justice and democracy. So what is the loss? What does it mean for the nation?
Honestly, it means a lot. I have a mixed feeling that those of us who have come after him, come after their set, are not living to expectations, not living to what they taught us. I mean, it's fairly disappointing.
So, do you want to talk about the Supreme Court judgment in Rivers?
We always see. I'm very what I did, sir? Oh, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'll stay in touch. No problem. When are you going out? Thank you very much. It's okay now. Thank you. Very well.